If you have a phone and Wi-Fi, you can start one of these today. Welcome to The Curious 10, where opportunities hide in plain sight and small ideas can turn into life-changing income. Today, we're diving into something almost everyone wants, but very few actually start. These are the 10 best side hustles with low startup cost. No offices, no big investments, no excuses. Some of these can be started in under 24 hours using tools you already own. So hit that subscribe button, open your Notes app, and let's break down the hustles that can turn spare time into real money. 10. Online surveys and microtasks. Startup cost, $0. Let's start simple. Companies pay real money for opinions, yours. Platforms pay users to complete surveys, test apps, or perform tiny online tasks. No skills required, no experience needed. You won't get rich overnight. But this is one of the fastest ways to turn free time into cash using just your phone. It's not glamorous, but it's real. 9. Freelance writing. Startup cost, $0 to $20. If you can write emails, captions, or short articles, you're already qualified. Businesses need blog posts, product descriptions, scripts, and newsletters, and they're willing to pay for it. Many freelancers start with zero portfolio, land one client, and scale into a full income within months. All you need? A phone, Google Docs, and consistency. 8. Social media management. Startup cost, $0. Brands don't have time to post every day. That's where you come in. If you understand Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, even casually, you can manage accounts for small businesses, posting content, replying to comments, scheduling reels. Many social media managers charge monthly retainers, not hourly fees. One client can pay more than a full-time job in some countries, and yes, you can start today. Number 7. Print on demand. Startup cost, $0 to $50. T-shirts, mugs, hoodies, phone cases. With print on demand, you design once, and the company handles printing, shipping, and inventory. You don't touch the product. Your job? Create designs people want and market them online. Some stores fail. Others quietly make thousands a month. The difference? Consistency and smart marketing. Number 6. Online tutoring. Startup cost, $0. You don't need to be a professor to teach online. If you're good at math, English, accounting, coding, or even basic school subjects, people will pay to learn from you. Tutoring platforms connect you directly with students worldwide. Sessions happen on video calls. Payments are instant. Your knowledge already has value. This just monetizes it. Number 5. Reselling, flip what others ignore. Startup cost, $50 to $100. Thrift stores, online marketplaces, clearance sales. People throw away valuable items every day, and resellers turn that into profit. Shoes, electronics, books, vintage items. Buy low, sell high. Many successful resellers started with less than $100 and reinvested every dollar. It's one of the oldest hustles, and it still works. 4. Content creation. Faceless works, too. Startup cost, $0. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. You don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive cameras, fact videos, storytelling, motivation, niche content. Creators monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and brand deals. Some channels start earning in weeks, others take months. But the entry cost, literally nothing. 3. Affiliate marketing. Startup cost, $0. You recommend products, you earn a commission, that's it. Affiliate links can be shared on blogs, social media, YouTube descriptions, or even WhatsApp groups. You don't create the product, you don't handle customer support. Some affiliates make passive income while sleeping, others scale it into full businesses. The barrier to entry is low. The potential is massive. 2. Digital products. Startup cost $0 to $30. Ebooks, templates, checklists, guides. You create it once and sell it forever. People pay for solutions, budgeting sheets, workout plans, study notes, resume templates. Even simple PDFs can generate recurring income. This is one of the smartest hustles because it scales without extra effort. Time creates it. The internet sells it. 1. Freelancing a skill you already have. Startup cost $0. This is the most powerful one. Video editing, graphic design, voiceovers, SEO, data entry, virtual assistants. You already know something someone else needs. Freelancing platforms connect you directly to paying clients. Many people replace full-time jobs with this. Some turn it into agencies. Others work part-time and still earn more than average salaries. Your skill is your asset, and it costs nothing to start. Bonus: the hustle people. Ignore local services. Startup cost $0 to $50. Phone repair, car washing, cleaning services, basic tech help. Local businesses don't need algorithms. They need solutions, flyers, WhatsApp, word of mouth. This is how many entrepreneurs started before going online. Simple, profitable, underrated. So what do these side hustles teach us? That you don't need permission to start. You don't need massive capital. You don't need the perfect time. You need action. Because the biggest difference between people who succeed and people who don't isn't talent. It's starting. If you want more ideas that turn curiosity into income, subscribe to The Curious 10. Stay curious, stay consistent, and remember, the best side hustle is the one you actually begin.